Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel on PC. Follow these simple steps to remove your channel permanently. Step 1. Click on your profile picture. This is located in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page of your YouTube account. Step 3. Click on Advanced Settings. This will open up additional options for managing your YouTube channel. Step 4. Finally, click on Delete Channel. This is located at the bottom of the page, under the Account Information section. Once you click on Delete Channel, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Please note that this action is irreversible, and all your videos, comments, and subscribers will be permanently deleted. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your YouTube channel on PC. Remember, think carefully before taking this step, as it cannot be undone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.